Meet the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer, your new creative sidekick. Fully enclosed for safety and print quality, no more dust bunnies. Print area, 150 x 150 x 150 meters. That's a Rubik's Cube times 3. Touchscreen controls, because buttons are so last decade. 8 GB onboard storage. That's more than my first MP3 player. Wi-Fi connectivity. Print from your couch. Pajamas optional. Quick change nozzle. Swap in seconds. No tools, no sweat. Other printers? 40 minutes and a toolbox. Voxel. Done before your coffee cools. Removable, flexible build plate. Pop models off like toast from a toaster. Heated plate up to 60 degrees C. Your prints stay cozy, not clingy. Swap build plates instantly. Start a new print while the last one cool. Auto leveling. Ships calibrated. No need for a PhD in bed leveling. Adjust nozzle distance via touchscreen. No more fiddling with screws. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. Voxel loves everyone. Auto filament feeding. Insert, tap, load filament, and watch the magic. Filament sensor pauses prints when you run low. No more spaghetti disasters. Professional prototyping? Check. Small batch manufacturing? Double check. Perfect for educators. Inspire the next generation of makers. Hobbyists, rejoice! Your garage just got an upgrade. Stable frame design means precise prints every time. Modern, compact design fits any workspace, even that messy desk. Touchscreen interface. Grandma could use this printer. Supports multiple filament types. PLA, ABS, and more, like a buffet for plastic. Ideal for rapid prototyping. Turn ideas into reality before lunch. Comes with a comprehensive accessory kit. No scavenger hunts needed. Safe for classrooms. Fully enclosed, fingers out of danger. Engineers and designers, meet your new brainstorming buddy. Educational institutions, streamline your STEM projects. Small-scale manufacturing just got a big upgrade. Print, flex, pop. Model removal made ridiculously easy. Nozzle swaps faster than changing TV channels. Auto leveling, because nobody enjoys manual calibration. Pause and resume prints with filament sensor. No ruined masterpieces. Download software and manuals from Monoprice. No treasure maps required. Print queue backed by 8 GB storage. Never lose your place. Wi-Fi means you can print from anywhere. Even the bathroom, we won't judge. Professional results, hobbyist price. Your wallet stays happy. Unbox, plug in, print. No assembly nightmares. Sleek black and gray finish. Looks good in any room. Ideal for prototyping, education, and small business. Monoprice Voxel, the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers, ready to make magic? The Voxel is waiting for you.